Hey, it's Jimmy from Pictory, and today we're releasing an update to our premium ElevenLabs voices. Let's go have a quick look at these new updates, which now include speed control. Anyone who's on the professional plan or has the ElevenLabs voiceover add-on as part of their subscription is really going to like this. So by default, whenever you've generated a voiceover using the premium voices in the past, it's always had a speed of 1x, and that sounds something like this.
National parks offer breathtaking beauty and adventure.
But now with this new update, we've introduced a new speed control. So you can actually slow things down to as slow as 0.7x, or you can speed it up to as fast as 1.2x. So you can add just kind of a little more energy with the faster speeds and just kind of remove the energy and just make it a little bit more slow and melodic with the slower speeds. So whenever I turn this up, you'll notice that if I want to apply those changes, I've got a little icon there. And if I set it back to 1, there's no changes to be applied. So when we go up to a different speed, if I click on this apply changes, there's actually another addition we've created here. So now you can see the estimated quota that's going to be used for this generation. What's great about this is because those speeds are faster, they end up being shorter files. So you can actually save a little bit of your quota by speeding up the voice that's generated from ElevenLabs. All right, so let's have a listen now to what this sounds like with the 1.2 times speed.
National parks offer breathtaking beauty and adventure.
Yeah, so you can see there's just a lot more energy to it. Another update that we made is that as you adjust your script, you might have some changes that need to be applied in the voiceover. So I'm just going to change this word to incredible. So you can see now that I've updated this, I've now got a little icon reminding me that, hey, maybe you want to make a change. Check this out. So now when we open it, you can actually choose to update only the scenes that have been modified. So in this case, this is one scene and it's estimated to only require 5 seconds of new generation. Or you can opt to regenerate the entire script. So if you made sort of a bigger change, more than just one of the words in the sentence, it might be a good idea to just regenerate the entire script, because as the note says down here, you get a little bit better sentence coherence when the entire thing is put together as one instead of doing one sentence at a time. So we're really excited about this new update. It's been something that's been requested a lot by our users over the last several months. So we're really excited to bring that to you today. I hope you try it out in your next project in Pictory.